Hello children, I hope you are doing well in your studies. Today we are going to discuss population policy in India. In that subtopics are two. First topic is family planning in 5 years plan in India and second one is population policy in India 2000. Firstly we are going to discuss family planning in 5 years plans. In 1952, India became the first country in the developing world to create a state sponsored family planning program. The National Family Planning Program. The program's primary objectives were to lower fertility rates and slow population growth as a means to propel economic development. During the first decade of planning, the emphasis was mainly on research in the field of demography, physiology of reproduction, motivation, communication, and establishing central and state organization in providing clinical services. In the third plan, serious thinking about population growth was reflected. The objective of stabilizing the growth of population over a reasonable period. The third plan for the first time set the population goal of achieving the reduction of crude birth rate to 25 per thousand population by 1973. There was a significant shift in the strategy in the fifth 5 year plan. The government decided to carry forward the family planning program in an integrated manner along with health, maternity, and child health care and nutrition services at all levels. The first national population policy was announced on April 16, 1976. Government program was confined to family planning until the population policy 1976. The family planning was entirely voluntary. Students, every policy gave one statement, like 1976 population policy also given one statement. We have to get out of the vicious circle, though a direct assault upon this problem as a national commitment. Students, same the way, the National Health Policy in 1983 also made some goals. The sixth 5 year plan is made a goal by increasing the proportion of couples practicing family planning to 60%. Children, same the way, seventh plan also aimed in 1985 to 90 at reducing crude birth rate to 29.1 by 1990, and the actual achievement was 29.9. Similarly, 8th plan 1992 to 97 set the goal of reducing the birth rate to 26.0 by 1997. Children, the following measures were adopted by the government to achieve the family planning goals. That family planning goals are: first one, government encourages female education, multi methods implemented in a scientifically approved contraceptives. Students, generally you know this. When economic progress happens to restrict the growth of population also. Raising the level of education, people know and generally they give importance to the maternity and child health program for the success of family planning program. Till now you understood very well family planning in 5 years plans. Remember such points used for your examinations.